Hello, I'm Ishan and I'm a computer science undergrad student at Manipal University, Jaipur. Due to COVID-19, almost 1 in 4 children living under lockdown and school closures are dealing with the feeling of anxiety and psychological distress, thus creating a decrement in brain function and total capacity to retain information is gravely affected, making the current online education solutions ineffective. A study by UNICEF said that an estimated 617 million children of primary and lower secondary school age, more than 50%, were not achieving minimum proficiency levels in reading and mathematics. So, to solve this problem, we have Augmenta here. Our main aim is to use augmented reality for easing daily tutelage of young kids and make the boring school stuff really interactive and intuitive. Now, for more technical details, I have my teammate Abhirup here.
Thanks, Ishan. So how does Augmenta really work? First, the camera setup is done on the device. After that, the Vuforia plugin is loaded in. It projects dots on the image target. The image target are present in our database. And through the dots, the image is recognized. And after that, through the AR core model inside the Vuforia plugin, the models which we've made are loaded in on the image target. Now I'm going to talk about all the features that Augmenta has. First, imagine pointing your camera on a boring classroom material and everything pops to life. In that classroom, you get all the info you ever needed. Next, we also have an AR lab in which you can work on the 3D models and you can make your own and thus create interactive projects so that everyone can enjoy the science. And along there with you will be an AR assistant to guide you through all the material we have at Augmenta. Next, we have some great things lined up for Augmenta in the future. First, there would be an update to the AR labs which would allow the users to make projects collaboratively with the other peers that they have. Next, would be using the NeuroSky MindWave sensor to see brain stimulation in the user and optimize our app with the data obtained. We can project our material on the virtual screens created by the AR core on different services and load them with courses from primary to undergraduation level.
Now for the SWOT analysis, we have the strengths that platform independency is really cost efficient, obviously user friendly and can be interfaced easily. For weaknesses, works only for set of images initially, may cause slow rendering in different phones and change in app policies. For opportunities, we have a huge market area, a boost in the AR industry and a major point that aligns with the fourth sustainable development goal of the UN. And the threats being change in technology, risk of acceptance and entry of new innovators. Moving towards feasibility and business models, due to platform independency, the app is built on a Scrum model, and since it's a B2B, we can start by targeting preschools which are closer to the pandemic, and using nickel and dime and crowdsourcing as our initial business models, we can generate revenue through the subscription of institutions.